हेलो एवरीवन, जैसा आप सभी चाहते थे कि हम लोग कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन का डिस्कशन करें फ्रॉम द चैप्टर एसिड बेस एंड सॉल्ट, तो मैं किरण सिन्हा मैम और आप सभी का स्वागत है इंटेंसिव ट्यूटोरियल में। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। सो वी आर टेकिंग फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन। एसिड आर सॉर इन टेस्ट, कैन यू नेम टू एसिड दैट यू कैन एक्चुअली ईट टू एंजॉय द सॉर टेस्ट? Yes, we can easily take name of two acid: citric acid, which is present in lemon, and acetic acid, which is present in vinegar. It gives the sour taste to our food. Question number 2. Why are acid not stored in metal containers? Actually, acids are highly corrosive in nature. They corrode metals like iron, aluminium. Therefore, acids are not stored in metal container. The third question is, name two substances that have different color in acidic or basic solution. What are the general name for such substance? Litmus, methyl orange, phenolphthalein are the substances that have different color in acidic and in basic medium. The general name for these substances are acid base indicator. Actually, they indicates whether the solution is acidic or basic by changing their color. Question number 4. In which reaction of acid is their acidic nature cancelled out to produce neutral substance? What are the neutral substance called? In neutralization reaction, acid and base cancel out each other properties to produce a neutral substance that is called salt. Acid are, next question, acid are either mineral or organic. What are the difference between them? Actually, organic acids are organic in origin, that is they are obtained from plant or animals, but mineral acids or inorganic acids are obtained from minerals which is present in the earth crust. Number 2, organic acids are less corrosive in nature. Mineral acids are highly corrosive in nature. Organic acids are weak acid. Inorganic acids are weak as well as strong acid. Generally they are strong acid. So acetic acid, vinegar, acetic acid which is present in the vinegar, citric acid which is present in the citrus fruit, these are organic acid. Whereas hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid, nitric acid, these are organic mineral acid. Now come to next question. All alkalis are bases, but all bases are not alkali. Very good. See, bases are what? Bases are the compound of metal oxide or metal hydroxide which neutralize acid, whether it is soluble in water or not. So bases are either be soluble or insoluble in water. Therefore, all alkalis are base because they will all neutralize acid. But all bases are not alkali because not all bases will dissolve in water. As for example, sodium hydroxide is a base, and since it is soluble in water, therefore it is an alkali. But aluminum hydroxide, it is base but not alkali because it is not soluble in water. Next question. Due to overuse of chemical fertilizers, the soil in the farm has become acidic and crop yielding have dropped. What remedial action will you recommend to the farmer? The farmer should use calcium oxide, calcium hydroxide which is a base, or calcium carbonate, that is the salt of a strong base. These compounds help the farmer to neutralize the acidic nature of soil due to neutralization process. Name the base used in manufacturing of soap. See, in the soap industry, the most common alkali or base you can say used is sodium hydroxide, that is caustic soda. Next question. Excess of which acid in the stomach causes acidity and how this can be corrected? excess of hydrochloric acid present in our stomach, which is produced by gastric gland, causes acidity, and this can be corrected by taking antacid, which is a base. These antacid neutralize the excess effect of acid. Magnesium hydroxide, that is also called milk of magnesia, it is a mild base and is often used as antacid. Come to next question. All acids contain hydrogen. What happens if you replace this hydrogen with a metal? The hydrogen in an acid may be replaced by a metal to form a salt. As for example, when hydrogen of hydrochloric acid is replaced by sodium metal, it will form sodium chloride salt along with hydrogen gas. Which compound are formed when an acid react with base? This is the next question. So, very simple answer, salt and water due to neutralization reaction between acid and base. For example, hydrochloric acid react with sodium hydroxide, then it will give sodium chloride as the salt and water. Come to next question. Name the acids from which the following salt are obtained. Okay, so nitrate salt is obtained from nitric acid, carbonate salt is obtained from carbonic acid, chlorides salts are obtained from hydrochloric acid, and sulfates salts are obtained from sulfuric acid. Next question is baking soda used in the baking bread and cake, a base or salt. We have to identify that baking soda is a base or a salt, and what is its chemical name and formula. Very good. Baking soda is actually a salt because baking soda is formed when one hydrogen atom of the sulfuric acid is replaced. It means baking soda is formed by the partial replacement of hydrogen atom from sulfuric acid. So its chemical formula is sodium bicarbonate, or you can say sodium hydrogen carbonate, and formula is NaHCO3. So chemical name is sodium bicarbonate and chemical formula is NaHCO3, and it is a salt formed by partial replacement of hydrogen from sulfuric acid. Now come to next question. What is an acid base indicator? Give one example. Acid base indicators are substance used to determine roughly whether the given solution is acidic or basic in nature. An acid base indicator is either a weak base or it will be a weak acid that exhibits a color change as the concentration of hydrogen ion or concentration of hydroxyl ion changes in an aqueous solution. Acid base indicator is also known as pH indicator. The best known pH indicator is litmus. Methyl orange is also a very common acid base indicator, and red cabbage can also be used as acid base indicator. The next question is name one each of the following acidic, basic and neutral substance. So first come to acidic substance. Lemon juice, tamarind, vinegar, these are acidic substance. Soap solution, lime water, antacid tablet, quicklime, ammonia solution, these all are basic substance. Common salt, sodium sulfate, these are the salt and neutral in nature. So these are neutral salt. The next question, what happens when dilute sulfuric acid is added to zinc? Hydrogen from sulfuric acid is replaced by zinc to form zinc sulfate as a salt, and hydrogen gas comes out in the form of bubbles. Next question, how can carbon dioxide be prepared from an acid? When metal carbonate is treated with dilute acid, it gives bubbles of carbon dioxide along with formation of salt and water. As for example, when limestone, that is calcium carbonate, is treated with hydrochloric acid, it gives carbon dioxide gas along with calcium chloride salt and water. The next question, give two examples each of strong acid and weak acid. Sulfuric acid, hydrochloric acid is a strong acid, whereas acetic acid, carbonic acid is a weak acid. Now come to next question. Why does a base applied on your skin give relief from an ant bite? The answer is, the ant bites inject formic acid into the part of the skin, and base has applied on the skin to neutralize the effect of formic acid and support to meet better result on it. Applying base over these part will actually neutralize the acid and give us better relief. Our next question is regarding the use of sulfuric acid, hydrochloric acid and nitric acid. So first come to the use of sulfuric acid. Sulfuric acid is used in manufacturing of fertilizer such as ammonium sulfate, superphosphate. It is also used in automobile batteries, used in textile industry, paper industry and leather industry. Now let us see what is the use of hydrochloric acid. So use of hydrochloric acid, it is used in oil industry to dissolve the oil bearing rocks. It is used to make aquaregia. Hydrochloric acid is also used in pickling of metal before the electroplating. Also used in descaling, that is removal of hard deposit formed inside the boiler in various industries. Nitric acid is used in manufacturing of fertilizer. It is also used in manufacture of explosive like TNT, trinitrotoluene and nitroglycerin, used to purify precious metal like gold, silver, platinum, etc. To next question, what do you mean by neutralization reaction? How can a neutralization reaction be used to prepare common salt? So first come to the definition of neutralization reaction. Reaction of an acid with a base to form salt and water as the only product is called neutralization reaction. In neutralization reaction, heat is produced. So the root equation for neutralization reaction is acid plus base to give salt, water and heat. When hydrochloric acid react with sodium hydroxide, it gives sodium chloride, that is also known as common salt, and water. So sodium hydroxide NaOH plus hydrochloric acid HCl gives NaCl, that is sodium chloride, and H2O, that is water. Come to next question. Some acid are dangerous, others are not. Explain with example. See, mineral acid such as hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid, nitric acid, these are strong acid and they are highly corrosive in nature. So they are dangerous and need to handle carefully. Whereas organic acids such as acetic acid, citric acid, tartaric acid, these are weak acid and are present in different food items or in different food ingredients and they are not much dangerous. The next question, what are bases? What are their physical properties? So first let us define what is base. Metal oxide or metal hydroxide which reacts with acid to produce salt and water as only product is called base. Physical properties of base: number 1, bitter taste. Number 2, turns moist red litmus paper blue. Number 3, have a soapy feel. Number 4, gives salt and water with acid. Number 5, few bases such as sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide are soluble in water. So water soluble base is called alkali. Now come to the next question. Give two main use of calcium hydroxide, ammonium hydroxide and sodium hydroxide. So first come to the use of calcium hydroxide. Calcium hydroxide is used in whitewashing of the building, in manufacture of the bleaching powder. It is also added to soil to neutralize the acidic effect of the soil. Next come to the use of ammonium hydroxide. Ammonium hydroxide is used in manufacturing of fertilizer. It is used as ink remover, also used in manufacturing of nylon, plastic, dyes, etc. If we talk about the use of sodium hydroxide is used in manufacture of the soap, used in paper, textile, medicine industries. State two method by which salt can be prepared. Give one example of each. Salt can be prepared by number 1 neutralization reaction, number 2 when acid react with active metal like calcium, magnesium, aluminum, zinc, iron, etc. So first let us see preparation of salt by the process of neutralization. When acid react with base, it gives salt and water. So during the neutralization reaction, salt is one of the product. As for example, sodium hydroxide when reacts with hydrochloric acid, it gives sodium chloride as salt along with water. The second method is acid. When acid react with active metal, then active metal replace the hydrogen of acid to form salt. As for example, when zinc react with hydrochloric acid, the hydrogen of zinc hydrochloric acid is replaced by zinc and it forms zinc chloride as salt and hydrogen gas is given out. Next question is, what is soap? How can you make soap in the laboratory? Soap is the sodium salt of fatty acid, and soap can be prepared by boiling vegetable oil or animal fat with caustic soda. Next question, if you get a turmeric stain on your clothes while eating food and try to wash it off with soap, the stain become red. Why? Find out how to remove haldi stain from clothes. Turmeric is an indicator which turns red when exposed to base. Sodium hydroxide is a base which is present in the soap in this case, therefore the turmeric stain turns to red. Exposing the stained area to sunlight for couple of hours, we can remove the turmeric stain. The next question, is the meaning of weak acid same as the meaning of dilute acid? No. Weak acid means they partially ionize in water, so solution of acid have less amount of hydrogen ion in it. But dilute acid means amount of water in the solution of acid is more. So strength of acid refers concentration of hydrogen ion in the solution of acid, whereas concentration refers amount of water in the acid solution. Next question, the waste of many factories contains acid. Why is it considered necessary to neutralize them before allowing the water to flow into water body? See, the waste of many factories contain acid. If such water is released in water body directly, it can harm aquatic animals and plants. Therefore, they are treated with calcium oxide or calcium hydroxide to neutralize the acidic effect of the waste.